Hello everybody, Darlene is here and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you my simple recipe of making donuts. Here are the ingredients: 3 teaspoon instant yeast, 3/4 cup water, 500 grams all-purpose flour or bread flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 large egg, 3/4 cup evaporated milk, 1/4 cup shortening or lard, and oil for frying. Let's get started. Dissolve instant yeast in 1/3 of the water. Then set aside. In a mixing bowl, let's sift all dry ingredients: the all-purpose flour or the bread flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. We have to mix it. And if you are using an electric mixer, you can mix at low speed for 30 seconds. Add the dissolved yeast, remaining water, egg, and evaporated milk. Mix it. And again, if you are using an electric mixer, you can mix at low speed for 2 minutes. Then mix at medium speed for about 4 minutes. Add a shortening or lard. Mix until gluten is slightly developed. Transfer dough to a grease bowl and cover. Let the dough rest for about 15 minutes at room temperature. Now after 15 minutes, punch down the dough. Roll out dough into 3/4 inch thickness. Cut pieces using a donut cutter. But for me, I am going to weigh each pieces, and from this dough, I am going to make a ring-shaped donut. Let the dough rise on floured baking pan or grease pan. I prepare it grease, or I will put it in a parchment paper. We have to let the dough rise until it doubles in size, approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour. Preheat oil to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have a candy thermometer, that is a very useful tool that you can use to maintain the 300 degrees Fahrenheit heat of the oil. Fried donuts until golden brown in color. Let excess fat drip. Then roll donuts in sugar while still warm. I am going to share with you some glaze that you can use for your donuts on my next video. So don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. So till next time, and thank you very much for watching.